Hey guys, Brandon from RC Flyer here. Got a new toy. The RMS Toyota Tacoma 1/24 scale. This thing is great. Comes with a remote, everything you need to drive this. The best thing about this thing is it's got 2 speeds. It's got a 2-speed transmission. Open it up, see what we have. Your typical electronics for FMS. And it does also have front lights. It does have the capability if you want to do the rear buckets, but they do not come with LEDs in the rear. That's a miss, I think. But yeah, here it is. All right, guys, so here it is, all plugged in, held by Velcro, holds really well, so it's a good, it's good, nice and easy. I like the hinge system that it has with the body. It's a hard body. It took me a while, guys. You have to actually just hit and tap the bind button, and when you do that, the lights come on, and then you tap it again, lights go off. It's kind of a weird system to hit the bind button to do that, but hey, it works fine. Took me a while, but figured it out. Looks awesome. 2-speed transmission, a lot of hop-ups that you can get. First thing I will do is I will be changing out the tires to a Jeep Wrangler tire with a little bit heavier wheels, but for this video, we're just gonna keep it stock and try her out and see how well she does. All right, guys, let's try her out. We're gonna start in low gear. She's nice and quiet. That's the fastest it'll go in low gear. Really nice truck, really nice looking. I love what they did with the body. Now if we switch it to fast gear, all right, here's the fast. It's about walking pace. Whoa, we're gonna jump her. No, we're not. See if we can get up this and tumble. But again, so if you need to get around a little bit of trails in a fast amount of time, let's go get that seat off of this thing. But yeah, it handles really well. And this is 100% stock right now, guys. It does have some clearance issues in areas that you can see, but in all, she's very capable. Just need better links and bigger tires. A little bit bigger tires than these, and to clear things, and you'll be all set. There we go. And this rock crawler track is not meant for this truck, but there we go. Not bad. See if it'll have the capability of getting up it. Nope. All right, guys, let's try a different line. Let's try. All right. I'm gonna try this. Oh, knew that was gonna happen. All right, let's try this line. Knew it would have clearance issues, but again, let's put it in better gear and lift. There we go. Come across this, and let's see if it'll get down this. Very nice. Again, clearance issues. There we go. I doubt we're gonna make this, but we'll try it. We'll see. It wants to. Oh, we're doing a wheelie right now. Can we get up that? I don't think so, guys. But we tried. Again, check this truck out. We're gonna try the indoor track. All right, guys, we're gonna do the indoor track. It's a work in progress, but we'll try it up here. We'll try it through this little gap, see the articulation. Again, we'll see the stock versus bigger wheels later. So, oh yeah, look at that. Climbs right up it. All right, let's see if we can get up this. Oh, first try, guys. First try. I don't see us actually getting lucky down this. This is for more my comp builds, but we'll try it. Nope. But what I was trying is to go down here and get out on the bridge. And this will eventually be finished. I got the tree in place. And then this down here. We'll go down here. Drop down. Hopefully I can see what I'm doing. And we turn. And then we go through the tunnel. Gonna have to back her up. She's a little long. And there we go. And in and out the tunnel. Check it out. The new FMS Toyota Tacoma 124 scale 2-speed transmission. If you like what you see, please hit the like and subscribe button. And until the next one, thanks for watching.